No, this
thumbs
is
up. Like, this is exciting.
This is groundbreaking DIY.
It is.
Okay. There's DIY and people are like gluing paper mache. This is
the real thing.
I would pay money. Okay,
yes,
like
buy
money
this.
in a store. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's DIY with Marwa and Jumana. If you guys haven't already known, Jumana is the co-founder and designer of Ramadan Wreath, and today we're going to do a Ramadan and Eid wreath. It's super cute, and I definitely think this is something that everyone needs in their house. It's so adorable. Basically, we're here to kind of show you guys all the steps and all the materials that are needed to do this. But before that, go ahead and hit thumbs up and subscribe over to this channel if you guys want to see more Ramadan and Eid oriented things. Wait, we got to talk about the shirts.
We do have to talk about the shirts.
So Jumana came out with these like really cool shirts, and it's so cute. It says faith, prayer, fasting, charity, and kindness. Like basically all the things that you need to have throughout the month and throughout the whole year.
This is what Ramadan means to me. And I'm really into typography, so that's why it's like simple, minimal. I've seen all our products that we released this season, it's all about minimalism. Even beyond Ramadan, these are like the basics.
Yeah, you can always wear it. Yeah. And I'll put the link for this below.
Yes, they're on modernade.com, and they come in 2 colors, and they also come in a t-shirt.
Materials.
Yes. Okay. So, to make our really cute Ramadan and Eid wreaths, what you're gonna need...
Are they wreaths or wreaths?
Wreaths.
Wreaths? I've been saying it wrong this whole time.
It's wreath.
Wreath? I say wreath, like R-E-E-F. I've been butchering this.
The first thing you're gonna need is actually the gold hoop. They come in different sizes. They are available at a craft store, kind of in the sewing section. And they are also available online, and we'll put some links on where you can get these gold metal rings. But I think these are really cute. This is the number one thing you don't want to substitute, because I think that the gold ring is really what makes this wreath.
Yeah, it does, because it adds like a little minimalistic touch to it and stuff.
Yes.
And then these flowers and stuff, I basically just grabbed a couple from like Michael's, and definitely use that. They always have a coupon, so always use a coupon.
And these are silks, so we're using silks because you want this to last all month long, but you also want it to be able to be used year after year. Yeah. So you can definitely do this with real flowers and make it, something really beautiful but temporary. But I say if you're gonna put the effort in, do the silks
as an investment for sure.
It'll last for a while.
And then these really beautiful acrylic banners are from Ramadan Eid, and I'll put the links to it below because there is the option of creating your own with a letterhead, but come on, this already comes made, and it's already super cute, and it matches the gold on the ring, so you might as well.
So these are not acrylic.
Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Look at me selling this.
And we came out with the acrylic one in white first, and then this season we put them in this mirror foil. So that way,
it's really thick. It's really
thick.
sturdy. That's why I said
they're
that.
really sturdy, but they're not fragile.
Okay.
So, and they're so durable. You can use them year after year. So we have the Happy Eid, the Happy Ramadan on modernade.com, and we're using it because you can use letters, or if you have your own banner, put it together. But this is cute.
So next.
So what you're also gonna need is a glue gun. Use a glue gun in order to glue all the flowers on. Some scissors to cut them apart. Some string or ribbon for the banner, and
I think that's it. Yeah,
that's it.
Okay,
let's get started. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, that Marwa recommended, is we are gonna kind of each make our own.
Oh yeah.
In a different style, and then you can tell us whose came out better.
Yeah. Okay.
So you gather your different silks. Now, usually silk flowers, especially if they're big, you could pop the head right off, so you don't really need to cut the stem. So if you can pop the head off, go for it. Arrange some different flowers, things like this, pull them off or cut them off with some strong scissors, or I've got these wire things.
I'm just gonna figure out what pops off first and then go from there.
Greenery is a good filler. You don't have to go all flowers.
That's why I didn't really,
Look, these pop off.
Oh, wait, where'd you pop this off from?
Right here. So, you kind of find at the base of the stem.
Oh, I see.
And just kind of pull it.
Pull it, okay.
Pull them off. Kind of lay them on the hoop before you glue. Don't just go in there with glue all gung-ho and then like you step back and you don't like it. Like lay them on the hoop, get them in a like situation that you like, and then go for it. My recommendation is to make it a little more modern and a little less like grandma made it. Kind of cluster things like in one area. So don't like go all the way around.
Okay.
So are you more feminine or are you more desert inspired?
I am a desert babe,
Yeah.
but I think like for something like this, I think I kind of do lean towards femininity.
The feminine?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Only
I'm gonna
because-
kind of save the feminine ones for you.
Oh, how nice.
Because I'm nice like that. So if you, for example, you're starting with something like this and it doesn't have a wire at the bottom and you need to glue it, like I said, first, arrange everything. But when it's time to glue it, just pop a small amount of glue on the back. Lift the hoop off the table so you don't actually glue it to the table, and just like hold it in place while you wait for it to dry. Right?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to see where do I want to start. So I want to do I want it to be more filled at the top and then less at the bottom. So I think I'm going to start like here. I'm going to go from there. Jimana, you're way more neater than me.
I'm gonna give you a little piece of advice.
Oh yeah.
Like because it's like a thin hoop, you don't have a lot of surface area on the top. So that way you have some room to work and you're not like, the table's not getting in your way. Like push the hoop like a little bit off the table.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Smart.
So that way you kind of glue down and you have like room behind it.
I'm a winger, so I'm low-key winging everything.
Careful when you're working with hot glue. As long as I've been working with glue guns, I always burn myself.
I already know I'm gonna burn
Don't
myself.
touch the hot glue. This
That's
is your
already
disclaimer.
happening.
The more you know, rainbow flying over us. This is an example, you guys. Collaboration over competition.
Okay.
Yeah, like let it dry. And then glue on the other side too. Like take the leaf and then wrap it around.
Oh, smart. Okay.
Wrap it around the
Okay.
thing.
I'll do that. All right.
Okay, so when you get your flowers, you can
Wait, show them your final thing. So
Look at
cute.
that.
I
Look
love
at
that. I'm not done.
So Marwa's gonna keep working on hers, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to actually put the letters on. Like I said, I'm working with our gold foil calligraphy banner. I'm gonna start with the Ramadan. I'm gonna take some thin gold string. The way this banner works is it's got holes on one end, but you can use the letters to hang it. Some string through my letters. So I'm pulling my string a little tight so that way it stays kind of exactly where I want it on the hoop, and then tying it in place.
Oh, son of a!
Talked about this.
Definitely do this project before Ramadan starts because you're gonna do a lot of cursing. If you're like me and you get frustrated.
I do too. I'm in my life right now, like I think I have like maybe 15 to 20 WTFs a day.
Yeah. Okay, I can't. It's like falling apart. My life is falling apart.
Okay, what's the problem?
I feel like I put them too close together and they're not staying.
Okay. So we'll flip it over. We're gonna use this to kind of glue it to the hoop so it doesn't move.
I'm gonna show.
Ready?
Oh yeah. yeah. This is a hot mess. I think maybe a little bit.
So watch. Ready?
Okay. I noticed that when I glue it directly to the rod, it does stick. But when I try to glue it with each other, it doesn't.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have to hold it a little bit. Yours is at the top, right?
It's like offset to the corner.
Yay! Like that?
Yeah. Oh, okay, cute. This is our final product. I kind of did some stuff offline just because I had to stay focused because Jimana was like way ahead of me. But mine was a bit of a more feminine approach, and I off-centered it. So I kind of did like one dominant thing, and then diagonal from it, I did something a little bit more feminine. And then Jimana went for the more deserty approach, like succulents. Oh, and then I added Eid, and she added Ramadan.
Yes. So mine is, like Marwa said, more deserty approach. I find like when you're grouping things, I think the rule of thumb is to group in odd numbers. Most
I
people
agree.
will do things like 2 and 2
Even,
and 2
yeah,
and 2
no.
and make it even. No, you want to group in odd numbers. So I have
Yeah.
an odd number of succulents here in different sizes, and then just like
Offset it.
offset it to make it balanced. And then I did like the Happy Ramadan banner, tied it,
And you can
at an angle.
get
so
both
cute.
banners and then have the
Change
Ramadan going, and then a week before change it into Eid. So I'm definitely gonna do that with this. Like all
Yeah.
I have to do is just change
And
the
because we
Ramadan
didn't
part.
glue it to the thing, like you can just cut this off
Cut it off
and
do
then
it.
hang this in your house. Like, can
Oh
you
my
see
god,
that?
I love it! It's really cute.
Can you see this?
Ours both complement each other.
They actually do. They look really cute together.
If you guys want more DIYs from Jumana, so she made these really cool moon bowls that have been displayed throughout the whole entire video. If you guys want to see how this is done, I'll put a link towards her channel.
So, yes.
And she's gonna release this throughout Ramadan.
Yes.
I'm going to release this video before because I think you guys need to have your wreath stuff before the month starts. And in our next video, we're going to show you guys how to do these really cute piñatas. This one says Happy Eid on it.
So cute.
And they're really cute DIYs. You can do a couple of these as ornaments, or you can obviously make them bigger. But the next video, we're gonna show you guys how to do this.
Like Marwa said, if you want more DIY videos and you head to our channel, I have a bunch of videos from last season.
Last year too, yeah.
On
they
our
can catch up
channel
on that.
of different DIYs you can do throughout the month.
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And let us know what else you guys want to see from us. Until next time,
Bye.
bye.